Hey, how's it going everyone? My name is Chris and welcome to Path to Wellness. Today's video is day 7 of the 7-day plant-based challenge. So I hope everyone is doing really well out there and things have been going good on the 7-day plant-based challenge. So I figured I'd show you what I had on day number 7. And then tomorrow I was going to start a new challenge, an intermittent fasting 7-day challenge, but I think the videos are just getting way too repetitive. So I'm not going to officially do that challenge, but I'm still going to be posting videos regularly. I have some new recipes coming up for this week, and probably throwing a workout. So I'll be doing videos, but the challenge thing is getting too repetitive. So just wanted to mention that. If you had seen that other video, I talked about doing an intermittent fasting challenge. So anyway, on day 7 of the challenge, it was very similar to the other days as far as the eating times, although I had a rest day, so I did not do a workout. I just did some stretching, went on a few walks, but I didn't do an official workout on day 7. I had worked out all the other previous 6 days in a row, so I just wanted to take a rest day from working out, and I'll be back working out tomorrow again, but here's what I had for day 7.
All right, I started off at 12:30 with my first meal. On the top right, I made a smoothie. It had 2 bananas, a cup of frozen berries, a few tablespoons of soaked chia seeds. I had date water, which was 3 dates that were soaked in water. And I had a scoop of superfood blend from Dr. Robert Morse in there. And then on the bottom right, I had a peanut butter and jelly sandwich on Dave's bread. I had an apple, and then I had a trail mix cookie on the left there. Then at 4 o'clock, I had a bowl of grapes and a banana for a quick snack to hold me over until dinner. Then at 6 o'clock, I steamed a sweet potato, a really big sweet potato, and I dipped that in ketchup, and I had an avocado. So that was it for day number 7. Thanks for watching, everyone. Make sure you subscribe to the channel for more videos. Give a thumbs up if you like the videos. Share it with anyone that needs this information. And don't forget, I'm now doing one-on-one health and wellness, fat loss coaching. I am certified in plant-based nutrition from eCornell as well. So if you'd like some help, make sure you message me, and we'll see everyone soon. Bye-bye.